Hi there. In this video, going to explain what levels are in Adaptive Insights. Essentially, they are your internal hierarchy or your department rollups. So if we take a look on the top right here, we could see we are in level North Sales. So if we click on this area, we can see all the levels that are related to a given company. So inside the United States, we could see there's all these different areas. If we click on this caret, it will expand or collapse the underlying areas. So if we click on the United States, that will select all the data for the areas of the child's underneath. So as you can see, the amounts here have expanded greatly. So once again, if we click to a higher level, we're currently in the United States view. If we wanted to see all of Canada, the UK, and these three combined, we could click on Operations. So now the page will refresh and show the aggregations of all those levels combined. And again, clicking on the caret can expand or collapse those individual areas. That's pretty much what the levels are. If you have any additional questions, place them in the comment section below. And if you want to get updated when we release new adaptive videos, press the subscribe.